I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce using BBQ powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, and your favorite BBQ powder. You'll also need a saucepan, a whisk, and measuring cups. Choosing a good quality BBQ powder is key to a delicious sauce, so pick one with a flavor profile you enjoy. This simple approach ensures a tasty homemade sauce. Now let's get mixing. In your saucepan, combine the tomato paste, vinegar, and your BBQ powder. Add a half cup of water to achieve the right consistency. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and there are no lumps. Then, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over low heat. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your sauce has simmered, it's time to fine-tune the flavor and consistency. Give it a taste and decide if it needs more salt, a touch of sweetness, or even a bit more BBQ powder for extra punch. If it's too thick, a tablespoon of water or vinegar can thin it out. For a thicker sauce, just let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches your desired texture. Perfecting it is easy. Finally, let's talk about storage and how to enjoy your amazing homemade BBQ sauce. Once cooled, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next meal. This sauce is fantastic with grilled chicken, ribs, or even as a dip for fries. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.